In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find competitors' keywords in Semrush. If you've ever wondered which search terms are sending traffic to rival sites, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to get value from what you see, even on a free trial. Start on your main dashboard in Semrush. From here, look for the section labeled Traffic and Market. This area gives you a high-level view of how sites in your space attract visitors. Once you're in, head to the Traffic Distribution view and choose Organic Search. This is the slice that focuses purely on unpaid, search-driven visits, which is where competitor keyword insights live. If you're on a free trial, you might see that some panels are locked. Don't worry. To get a useful snapshot, all you need to do is add your own domain and then add the domain of a competitor you want to analyze. When you enter domains, keep it simple. Use the root domain format without extra paths or protocols. Pick a true competitor, someone targeting similar audiences and topics, so the comparisons are meaningful. After you add the domains, Semrush will display example data side by side. You'll typically see charts and lists that compare how much organic traffic each site receives and where it's coming from. This context helps you understand who's capturing visibility and who might be relying on a few strong terms versus a broader keyword mix. Now, scroll down the page until you reach the top keyword section. This is the goldmine. Here, you'll see the search queries that are bringing the most organic traffic to each domain you're comparing. Click through each competitor to view their top keywords. Pay attention to the terms that repeat, the ones with clear buying or problem-solving intent, and any topics you haven't covered yet. The goal isn't to copy. It's to spot opportunities where you can create better, more helpful content that meets the same search intent. As you review the lists, note which keywords look attainable for your site's current authority and which might be longer-term targets. If a term seems broad, think about how you could refine it into a more specific angle that matches what your audience actually needs. Also, keep an eye out for brand-agnostic queries that your content can realistically compete for. And that's it. By navigating to Traffic and Market, opening Organic Search under Traffic Distribution, adding your domain and a competitor, and scrolling to the top keyword section, you'll quickly uncover the search terms driving results in your niche. Use those insights to prioritize topics, refine your messaging, and build content that earns rankings over time.